guys, so today we are going to be doing a little bit of dangerous experiment of trying to put this Sony waterproof watch into this bowl of water and then heating it up to see whether this survives. Normally in like this situation, this has to survive because it says water resistance up to 50 meters, and also this watch is brand new and made, and this is the new model in which they say that this could actually operate and be working on any type of water, which means boiling water also added into it. So guys, let's put the watch into the water and then let's put the fire. Okay guys, fire put in, let's see what will happen. Hopefully nothing dangerous will happen to me guys. If it happens, then I want to say to you that please don't try this experiment at home, because the lithium ion, but the battery could easily explode due to acids. So guys, if you can see, the watch is still working. Yes, the watch, if you want to see highlight. As you can see, the time is 4:15. Let's put the heat out a little bit. Right now you can see guys, the water is swirling a little bit. I think it's getting heated up. So guys, I am smelling something. It feels like the water is trying to get hot. Let's try to hold the heat a little bit. So guys, if you see closely, there is smoke coming out, and also you can see the sound of this thing like burning. So guys, the water is a little bit spraying. I don't think it's a good thing to stay here. I'm going to just go back and see it for you guys. Okay guys, now as you can see, bubbles are coming out of the watch. Let's say rest in peace to this baby. On the side guys, you can see water bubbles are coming up. The water is heating and I see the smoke going up, and also the water, the smell of hot water is going straight into my ear. Okay guys, now it's on full hot mode. Let's hope nothing happens. Okay guys, as you can see, the dial is almost off. Okay guys, I smell something which is not good. The clock still working. Actually the resistance is quite good, because at this moment I feel like I need to close this, and if you can see guys, now the watch is almost half covered. Now I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. Okay guys, now it's boiling hot. The watch is actually still working. God damn. Very great resistance over by this watch. Sorry for the background guys, actually I am at my mom's place, and that's the reason. If I am at my place, it would be much neater. And also about the camera quality guys, I am shooting this with my small camera, not with my big one. The watch is still working. Oh god. So guys, I put off the water. Now let's take this out. Wait a little bit until I take the spoon. Okay guys, let's fish the water out. Oh damn guys, look at that. water just freaking spread all over. So guys, as you can see, the watch is not working. Right there, it's not going. Oh, it's working actually, if you can see. So now let's try to put it back and see if the same thing happens. Okay guys, now it's getting a little bit fishy. I feel some sprays coming directly at the camera guys, so I just lowered the fire because I am not sure whether this thing would explode or something, because those batteries inside they are very explosive. So guys, it's steaming hot. As you can see, there's the fire. If you want to see, that's the watch burning. Now let's try to see whether this has become alright. Actually, something fishy actually happened to the phone. I think I can fish it out. Damn guys, look at that. It actually fell back again. It's kind of hard. So guys, if you didn't see, I actually see the clock was still working. And that actually covers it guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want more crazy videos like this, please subscribe. And if you want to enter into my giveaway, winning several of these watches, you can just like this video and comment saying I want a watch, and then I'll just see your comment and give you a watch. Free shipping, everything is free. And sorry guys for the background, that's due to my being in my mom's place. So let's try to fish it out to finish the video. Actually, I'm gonna need another spoon guys. This thing is actually like broken. Let's save this. Okay guys, so I'm trying to shift. There's that guys. This is the phone. This is the watch actually. The watch still working guys. So extremely resistant and waterproof watch. So another experiment is going to be coming up on Monday. So please make sure to subscribe and like this channel, and have a good day.